Welcome back to the garage. Or if you're new to the channel and this is the first video of mine that you've seen, welcome to the garage. My name is Zane. First things first in this video, I wanted to put a quick disclaimer. I know that I have a ton of projects sitting around here. I never really planned on having so many so soon. I've got enough projects to probably keep two people busy for the next 10 years or so. But if you care to watch this video all the way through, you'll understand the importance of why I could not let this truck pass through my fingers. Today's video is all about the newest addition, well, technically the newest addition to the channel, my 1968 International Travelette. With so many other projects sitting around, you might be wondering what would make this truck so tempting to me that I could not pass up on it. Maybe the fact that it's an old International Travelette, these old four-door trucks are getting harder to find, or the fact that it's an old military truck with these awesome custom wheel adapters to put the wheels and tires on. But the biggest reason that I could not pass up on this could be explained by an almost faded Kodak picture. This picture was one that my dad took whenever he was trying to sell this truck, and he did sell it over 25 years ago. He never thought that he would ever see it again. He later regretted selling this old truck for how cool it was. Just to put things in perspective, my dad was in his early 30s whenever he sold this truck, just for me to be in my early 30s and buy this truck back. That's why I could not pass up on this deal, and I had to bring this truck back into my family. And there you have it. Relic Recovery, lucky number 7. The journey to buy back my dad's old International Travelette after 25 years. You know, if there was ever a video of mine to get a lot of attention and inspire people, I truly hope that this is the one. Just for the fact that there may be somebody out there watching right now in the same predicament that would love to buy back a family member's old vehicle due to sentimental reasons, but just doesn't know if it's still around. My dad sold this to a gentleman who planned on taking it to mud runs and running it through trails on his property. So my dad always figured that it would just live a very short life, get completely destroyed, and he would never see it again. Many years later, he regretted selling this truck due to the fact that it was a heavy four-wheel drive. He hauled a lot of loads of wood on the back of it. Nothing really slowed this truck down, and even back then, it was hard to find an international four-door truck. But he sold this when I was around 7 years old, so I obviously was never old enough to drive it. It's an amazing opportunity to buy it back now, where I can put some money into it, make it reliable, maybe even make it a daily driver. It's an incredible experience to be able to buy this truck back and surprise him like I did. I really should have recorded it, but he didn't want to be on video. Anyhow, I plan on doing a very special story time and walk around of this truck in the next video in the series. I'll show you what kind of shape it's in, and we'll go over the history of this old truck, how my dad bought it, when he sold it. I'll try to find any other pictures of it that I have. I just wanted to say also, if you enjoy my videos, please check the video description below. There's a lot of other great channels that put out fantastic content. If you like my videos, I'm sure you'll like theirs as well. So just check them out. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to them. But thank you very much for watching this video. If you would please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment or a question down below. Consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And as always, just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video is over, how about you go and track down that project? My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.